Hi, I'm Jazz. In today's video, I'll be talking about how to get your vitamin D naturally. What is vitamin D? Vitamin D is the umbrella name for vitamin D2 and D3. Although we can get D2 from mushrooms, D3 is the one that is far better at raising, maintaining and storing vitamin D levels in your body. So why do we need vitamin D? Well, vitamin D helps the body to absorb calcium, keeping your teeth, bones and muscles strong. And the best source is sunshine. Here I am in my local park. I've taken 30 minutes out of my day to come here and get some glorious sunshine. It's a beautiful, beautiful day. If you are lighter skinned, you only need 15 minutes, but please consult your doctor if you have sensitive skin. Try to uncover as much skin as possible to allow a larger surface area to absorb all the important ultraviolet B rays of the sun. Any accessible green space or even a bench on a street or road will do, as long as you are getting direct sunshine and you don't have sunscreen on. So in spring, summer and early autumn, this is what you need to do at least 3 times a week, and the body will use what it needs and store the rest for the winter months. Of course, you can top up your D3 by eating some oily fish such as salmon, sardines, herring and mackerel, or red meat, liver or egg yolks. I hope you found this video useful. Don't forget to subscribe